Jack here with QuickDrawers.com with another video from our how-to series. Today we're going to go over how to install your full extension ball bearing drawer guides. There's really not much to it. Let's get started. Today we'll be using the Kreg drawer installation jig when installing our full extension ball bearing drawer guides. This product's available at our website at www.quickdrawers.com. As you'll see in the video, it's a fast, efficient, and great way to move from one drawer opening to the next with ease and keeping your drawer level and plumb every time. Your drawer slide kit should look something like this. A pair of mounting brackets and a pair of drawer slides. You see here I've already separated the drawer side member from the cabinet side member. The way you'll do that is you'll push the drawer side member along here, the ball bearing track, and you'll find once you've fully extended it, there's a lever. Some might have a push button. You'll go ahead and press that and you can slide it all the way out. Okay, first things first, we'll go ahead and install these jigs on the inside of the drawer opening face frame and get it clamped in place. We'll do the same thing on both sides. Once we have these jigs set, we'll be able to install our drawer guides. Now that we've got those jigs installed, we can go ahead and put in our drawer guide. You go ahead and put it on top of the jig, get it aligned just off the face frame, and put your first screw in. Since that first screw is already in, we'll go ahead and press the bracket to the back of the cabinet firmly, and we'll put our first screw in to the center slotted opening. And now we'll do the same thing to the other side. Now that you've got your drawer slides installed, we're going to go ahead and put your drawer guide member back in on both sides. And then we'll also go ahead and take the jigs off and go ahead and swap them to the front so we can install your drawer box. Now we need to go ahead and get the jigs installed onto the outside of the face frame so we can get your drawer box installed. There's really nothing to it. The indexing pins align perfectly to where it needs to be. You just get your clamp and clamp it in place. You'll do the same to the other side, making sure that your index pins are holding where they're supposed to. And now we're ready to install our drawer box. Next, we're going to go ahead and fully extend our drawer guides, and we'll set the drawer in between them, right on top of the jig, and we will flush the front of the drawer guide to the front of the drawer box. Now we're going to go ahead and put our screws in our first and middle hole on each side of the drawer box. We're going to need to take the drawer box out to get the last screw into the back of the drawer, but we want to be secure. That way everything stays in place. Now we're going to go ahead and get it screwed in the other side. Since I don't have access to the rear hole on the side of the drawer box, I'm going to go ahead and take it out and secure it with a screw. Let's go ahead and get that screw installed. Now that we've got our drawer glides installed onto our drawer box, we can go ahead and remove the jigs and get ready to install our drawer box. It's pretty simple to do. We'll just align the track on the drawer box with the track inside the cabinet. We'll push the drawer all the way in so it engages fully. We can pull it out and go ahead and slide her back in. Wow, you see how simple that was? A few short minutes and you're already finished. You can find the Kreg Jig and many other great products at our website, QuickDrawers.com. If you found this video to be helpful, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have a good one.